Hell yeah. So guys, this is y'all payrollers. That part's over with too now. I did my part.
Hello, good morning guys. So the time now is like 4 a.m. and I'll be preparing to go to New Orleans. So I'm kind of tired because we probably just had 3 hours of sleep. So I'll get ready and I'll see you guys there. We're now in New Orleans.
Oh wait, this is CBS. Let's go to the CBS.
We're currently going to Cafe Du Monde. I'm always like thank you. So where are we walking now?
Yeah, inside here is a park.
Okay, we're going to a park right now. The view of our stay here. It's a bedroom here. Washer and dryer. Cool. It's got a big mirror here. Bathtub. Toilet and a big walk-in wardrobe here. So huge. Got an iron, got everything.
How it tastes.
Not bad.
Never had Louisiana oyster before.
That's not very good. I look like such a rat right now, but welcome to day 2 of Nola. I mostly don't talk during the vlogs because I just want to show you more of like the scenery and all, and sometimes also like I want to be in the moment. We just didn't feel like talking a whole lot because I just want to enjoy the food, you know. It has been amazing so far here. Like all the people are so friendly and so nice because you know the southern kind of hospitality. And we have like all the Creole food and the Cajun food. Oh, it's just amazing. My favorite so far was definitely Lil Dizzy, and I really like the vibes and the food at the GW Finn's restaurant. Also, their seafood is cooked so perfectly, and I love their biscuits so much. Today's plan will be more adventurous. We're going to airboat tours to the Bayou, and we'll see a lot of gators there, and then it's gonna be very interesting. And then after that, we'll head to maybe head to the World War II museum, which is like very famous in Nola, like you can't miss it kind of thing. Also eat a lot more food, and it's gonna be great.
Free live and on-demand how-to workshops at the Home Depot. From garage upgrades to smart storage solutions, our hands-on garage floor mattress, painting and sealing a durable epoxy finish. Or discover how to work.
y'all payrollers. That part's over with too now. I did my part. They ask crazy questions like, "Oh, we're gonna see aliens out here." Shove them bastards. That's how you keep the gators out. It works. I seen the guy do that on the TikTok one time. It worked really well for him. My mom said it's on the web show, especially TikTok. It's got to be real. Yeah. It works. It's right. All right, guys. I got it.
Damn, I like the way they make the corn bread. Really good.
Looks more like the shape of a corn.
Yeah, but it is long and long.
Not good.
And on D-Day, the 1st Infantry Division.
This time, with 7 minutes left to play, the deadline before the blackout in New York, Mayor LaGuardia was very kind to set aside the time.
Upwards of 30 Japanese ships so far have been sunk or damaged.
Larger equipment, such as the thousands of bombers and fighter planes that roll out of factories,
Americans intend to halt the Japanese advance and protect their allies by
prepared to wind his way through the Southwest Pacific. MacArthur argued that dividing resources between the two campaigns will dilute the allies called Hurricane Forest.
He came to eat it is excruciating for me. Yes. Very swanny.
Strawberries always popular one too.
Video.
You are. I knew you were gonna say that. To zoom up.
Guys, this is day 3 of Nola. Also gonna be like our last night here. Tomorrow morning we're gonna fly back to New York. Every day of our vacation we're doing something, so it's always interesting.
The courtyard is nice. Hello, friend. If my friends lived in this city, we will always come here every weekend or something.
It feels like a party going on here. Like,
It is. It's a very, I wouldn't say elaborate, but it's a nice lunch. I thought that was mine. Yes, the cooking program is the thing is I know that it takes an angle to make it.
hi guys, the time now is like 7 a.m. and now is actually the last day of us being in Nola. We don't actually have a full day, so we're going straight to the airport. We have these like peach crisps from when we went to Emerald, and there's also cafe au lait, so that's perfect. Although this is the cafe au lait. I do love like when these little cookies come into handy, like, oh, it smells so good. Like, look at that. Still good. It's still good. Oh, that's good. Bye bye, Nola. Amazing stay in New Orleans. Like 10/10.